The health benefits of turmeric, nature's golden spice. Turmeric, the golden yellow spice commonly used in South Asian and Middle Eastern cooking, is more than just a flavorful addition to your favorite curry. For centuries, it has been celebrated not only for its culinary uses, but also for its wide array of health benefits. Its primary active ingredient, curcumin, is responsible for much of its medicinal properties. In this video, we explore the health benefits of this remarkable spice, backed by scientific research. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to many diseases, including heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's, and various degenerative conditions. Turmeric, specifically its curcumin content, has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Curcumin works by inhibiting the activity of molecules like an F-kilobite, a protein that plays a role in inflammation. Studies have shown that curcumin's anti-inflammatory effects are comparable to some pharmaceutical drugs, but without the side effects. 2. Antioxidant boost. Curcumin is also a potent antioxidant, which helps to neutralize free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to cell damage and aging. Turmeric not only neutralizes these harmful molecules, but also boosts the body's own antioxidant enzymes. This dual action makes turmeric a powerful ally in protecting cells from damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases associated with oxidative stress. 3. Supports joint health. Given its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric has been found to be particularly beneficial for those suffering from joint pain and arthritis. Studies have shown that turmeric extracts can help reduce symptoms of osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, with some patients experiencing relief comparable to that provided by anti-inflammatory drugs. Taking turmeric supplements regularly may help reduce joint stiffness and swelling, improving mobility and quality of life for people with arthritis. 4. Boosts brain function. Curcumin may also play a role in improving brain health. It can increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor BDNF, a type of growth hormone that promotes the formation of new neurons and helps prevent degenerative processes in the brain. Lower levels of BDNF have been linked to conditions such as depression and Alzheimer's disease. There is emerging evidence that turmeric may delay or even reverse some brain diseases by increasing BDNF levels, making it a promising supplement for cognitive health. 5. Heart health benefits. Turmeric has a variety of cardiovascular benefits. It improves the function of the endothelium, the lining of blood vessels, which plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure, blood clotting, and other factors. Curcumin also helps reduce inflammation and oxidation, both of which are significant contributors to heart disease. Some studies suggest that it may help prevent the buildup of plaque in arteries, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis and heart attacks. 6. Supports digestive health. Turmeric has long been used in traditional medicine to aid digestion. It stimulates bioproduction, which helps with the breakdown of fats in the digestive system. Curcumin also has a soothing effect on the digestive tract and may be helpful for people suffering from conditions like indigestion, bloating, and irritable bowel syndrome (IBS). Its anti-inflammatory properties are particularly beneficial for those with inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. 7. Cancer prevention and support. Curcumin has been studied for its potential to prevent and treat various types of cancer. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties help protect cells from damage, which may lower the risk of cancer development. Some research has shown that curcumin can slow the growth of cancer cells and even inhibit tumor growth in certain cancers like breast, bowel, stomach, and skin cancers. While more research is needed, the evidence is promising, particularly when used alongside traditional cancer treatments. 8. Aids in depression management. Curcumin's ability to boost BDNF levels may also play a role in fighting depression. Some studies have shown that curcumin supplements can be as effective as antidepressants in reducing symptoms of depression. It may also increase the production of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, which are key to regulating mood. 9. Improve skin health. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties make it beneficial for skin health. It has been used in traditional medicine to treat various skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Applying turmeric topically can help soothe irritation, reduce redness, and even out skin tone. It's also known to accelerate wound healing by promoting tissue regeneration. 10. May support weight loss. Some research suggests that turmeric can help with weight management. Curcumin may reduce inflammation in fat cells, which can help prevent obesity-related complications. Additionally, it may improve metabolic function and regulate the hormones responsible for controlling weight gain. While it's not a magic solution for weight loss, combining turmeric with a healthy diet and exercise may enhance weight management efforts. How to incorporate turmeric into your diet. To fully enjoy turmeric's health benefits, you can incorporate it into your daily routine in various ways. Turmeric tea, known as golden milk. This beverage combines turmeric with milk or plant-based alternatives, often spiced with black pepper, which enhances curcumin absorption. Smoothies, add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to your morning smoothie for an antioxidant boost. Cooking, use turmeric in curries, soups, or roasted vegetables for flavor and color. Supplements, turmeric or curcumin supplements are available, but it's important to choose high-quality products with piperine from black pepper to increase absorption. In conclusion, turmeric is a potent spice with a variety of scientifically supported health benefits. Whether used in cooking or taken as a supplement, its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and neuroprotective properties make it a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. However, as with any supplement, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before adding turmeric to your routine, especially if you are taking medications or have health concerns. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.